In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up on the Card.so website. We'll go through the full process together, step by step, so by the end you'll have your own card account ready and you'll be looking at your dashboard. First, open your web browser and go to card.co/login. This is the page where existing users normally log in, but it also has the option to create a new account. Once the page loads, you'll see the login form with spaces for an email and password. Don't worry about those for now. Look toward the bottom of that form and you should see a button or link that says something like sign up. Go ahead and click that to start creating your account. After you click, a new page will load with a sign up form. Here you'll enter a few basic details. Start by typing your name. This can be your real name or a display name you're comfortable using for your card account. Next, enter your email address. Make sure this is an email you currently use and have access to, because Card may send you confirmations or important updates there. Take a second to double check for any typos in your email. A small mistake can prevent you from logging in or receiving reset links later. Now create a password for your account. Choose something that's strong and hard to guess, but still memorable for you. A good tip is to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After typing your password once, you'll see a second field asking you to repeat it. Enter the same password again to confirm it. This step helps make sure there were no typing errors the first time. Below the password fields, you may see a checkbox that says something like, "Send me news and updates." If you want to receive announcements or product news from Card, you can check this box. If you prefer fewer emails, you can leave it unchecked. This is totally optional. You'll also see another checkbox related to the terms of use and privacy policy. This one is required. Make sure you read or at least skim those documents so you understand how your data is handled. Then check the box to confirm that you agree. Once everything is filled out and the required checkbox is selected, go ahead and click the Sign Up button. Give the site a moment to process your information. After the page finishes loading, you'll be taken straight to your Card dashboard. This is where you'll be able to start building and managing your sites. At this point, your sign-up is complete and your Card account is ready to use.